Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in the Dollar Tree planner today. This Dollar Tree planner is in a Moterm cover. This is a notebook cover. I did a little hack to turn it into a traveler's notebook. The Dollar Tree planner is built like a traveler's notebook insert. It is around B6 size. And so I have it slipped on. I'm trying to show you. I have it slipped on the elastic. I still don't know what I'm going to do with this piece of vellum. So I just have it slipped on one of these elastics. Let me find the center again. So that is how that is put together. Again, this is the B6 notebook cover, so you could put a Stalogy in it or anything like that. I just converted it, added the elastics, and I'll link to the video in the iCard showing where I did that. So this is the last spread that we did. Let me find it. So this is the last spread that I did in the Dollar Tree planner. This was the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. The prompt was MARIPOSA. So I've missed some in between doing that one, but I'm trying to get caught up. Some of them I just don't have any ideas for yet. Or I just was not in the mood to print and cut stickers. But so this is the week I'm going to work on. This week for the challenge is roll bounce. So I'm going to take my little sticky note off. These are the stickers that I am using. This is not how these particular stickers came. I pulled from several different files, but these are from CHELA Creates. So we got the skates, the doll, the boho rainbow. And then this is available to Scrapcraftastic Patron, Elite, and Plus, I believe. I'm not sure that I'm going to use this, but I have it here just in case. Then I have the labels that are available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop as part of a kit. I'm in the process of moving the shop at scrapcraftastic.com to Etsy. So if you are looking for the newer items that I'll have available in the Scrapcraftastic shop, they will be on Etsy. So I'll have the Scrapcraftastic shop for any templates, cut files, printable inserts, and a few printable stickers similar to this. So I may make some label style stickers to put in Scrapcraftastic shop. Then I had this file that I purchased a while ago, and I'll have to link to the shop where I got these from in the description box below because I don't remember the name of the shop, but I pulled a few of the graphics from that and did this sheet. So I have lots to work with. This is the washi tape that I pulled. I think it will go well with the color scheme of the skates. So I'm going to start with that. I don't know that I'm going to put anything in the header specifically. I did not really plan for that. What I was thinking was I would just maybe have the skate feet come up here somehow. I don't know. But I'm going to start by covering the days of the week. Let's start there. Now for this, let's see, I'm thinking maybe the white skates. Let's try. So if I were to put that there, and then, so I'm just going to try and position this behind the skates. All right, let's see if I can trim this off. Okay, so I also pulled these days of the week. So I'm going to use these. These are from Piper Paper Company. So let's put those down. Okay, so those are the days of the week. I'm going to leave those in there in case I want to use them again. So we got our skates, our Walkman. Now I wanted to use these skate legs in some kind of way, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. because I got that to contend with as well. So maybe I can use the bigger ones. So I might have to move Monday. And put it like that. I was trying not to have to trim off the edge, but let's trim it. Then I'm going to use her. Maybe I can use one of these rainbows. Let's see if I have any florals that can work with this. I think from now on, if I can make it happen, I'm going to start printing more stickers on the clear sticker paper because I like the way that looks a lot better. Let's see. Okay, let's do some clustering. So where are my scissors? Let's make a little cluster around her. So this is a little plain, but I think we need to mix some not so overly done spreads throughout. So let's see, maybe if I add a few boxes here and there, I don't know. Let's see. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna add a couple of these boxes to this layout. So I'm gonna put one there. I'm gonna put let's put one here. I think I need to make some sheets with all one color. What do you think? Are you interested in these or no? And then let's put one here. Then maybe I can add a couple more of the pink flowers around the boxes. Okay, so I feel like it needs a quote or something. Let me see if I can get to my Happy Planner books. Maybe I can use a few of these. Let's try this big plans. Did I use focus on you? Let's use focus on you. And then let's call it good. Let's put it here. All right, I'm gonna leave that alone. I don't wanna overdo it. And if I keep going, I know I'll overdo it. So that is gonna be it for this weekly setup in the Dollar Tree planner. Again, this is the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge. If you would like the prompts, I do have the prompts available for the entire year. The prompts are available in the featured section on the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. So if you would like to play along, there's no requirements. You can do as many of the prompts as you want. You can go back to the beginning of the year. You can do however you want. It is just meant to be inspiration for decorating your planner. So that is it for the Dollar Tree planner this week. I tried not to overdo it. Keep it simple. The prompt was roll bounce. I used stickers from CHELA Creates, one of the Happy Planner books. I think it's Botanicals. The pink florals are from the seasonal pages. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. The boxes are labels that are available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop, and I'll link to the Etsy shop where I got the skates and the Walkman graphics in the description box below. The days of the week are from Piper Paper Company, and I think that covers pretty much everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may enjoy these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.